When did this happen?
About 4 months ago.
4 months ago?
It all started 4 months ago. The elderly woman was bitten by a bug and developed an infection at the time, but despite the severe pain, she chose not to go to the hospital for proper treatment. Upon hearing this, the doctor immediately sensed trouble. With the infection and having been covered with bandages for 4 months, the situation with her leg was unimaginable. However, once they had prepared themselves mentally for what was to come, the son's words completely stunned them.
Can't you just put her in restraints and give her a sedative or something?
Not only did this confuse the doctors, but it also caught the attention of other patients. Just as they were trying to ignore it, they suddenly understood the son's struggles. The elderly woman had always been wary of doctors, and a few years ago, due to a misdiagnosis, her spouse had passed away. Since then, she had developed a fear of doctors, which was why she had refused to come to the hospital after being bitten. But fortunately, Dr. Gray came up with a clever idea. Dr. Gray bought a blindfold for the elderly woman, so she wouldn't see the doctors, and only rely on her hearing. This might help ease her anxiety. With Dr. Gray's constant presence, the elderly woman was successfully convinced to get on the operating table.
Wow, there is barely any necrotic tissue here. The maggots might have actually saved her leg.
Well, remind me to send them flowers. We may actually make trick-or-treating tonight.
With the long-term infection, the bacteria would likely have reached her bone marrow. In this case, amputation was a real possibility. But surprisingly, because of the maggots, the bacteria had been kept from going deeper. As long as the surface was properly treated, the elderly woman would safely recover.
This doesn't look like a hospital.
We've taken all of the unnecessary medical equipment out of the room. And Philip is bringing some more of your things from home, and I've even put a sign on the door. So all the doctors and staff will respect your privacy. Okay, do you want me to stay?
Don't you have kids to get to for Halloween?
Yeah, but it's okay.
Oh, no, you don't want to miss it. You only get 10 before they go off on Halloween with their friends getting into trouble. You got to enjoy it while you can.